Hello, this is Nitin Dahad, and I'm speaking to Giogiomaria Cicero, who's the co-founder and CEO of Accelerat. Hello, Giorgio.
Hi, hello.
Giorgio, tell me about Accelerat. You're a very young company, startup, and you're doing something in the space of providing hypervisor and safety critical applications for automotive ECUs.
Yes, indeed. Accelerat is a startup company that actually has been founded in 2021, but the idea has been conceived in 2017. We are an academic spin-off company of the Real-Time System Laboratory, one of the world's leading research teams in the area of cyber-physical systems and real-time software. And in Accelerat, we provide Claire, which is our first product, our flagship product.
Claire?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's
yes.
Claire. It's a software solution for securely integrating mixed criticality workloads on the same ECU.
Okay, so that's great. I think we have those in the market already. How is this different?
Well, and Claire, you mentioned before hypervisor technologies. Yes, that's true. I mean, the heart of Claire is a next generation hypervisor technology that we conceived, as I said, in 2017. But it's not only an hypervisor. Claire is something more. The game is played at the beginning with our tool. Our Claire toolkit is basically providing a simple way to configure the entire system on chip. So what we do is basically we characterize the platforms, so we know very well how the platform is behaving, all these low-level capabilities.
So it's not a generic solution. You actually customize it to that.
Yes, a lot, and that's why we really need to characterize the platforms. But we create a mathematical model of the platforms that we bring in our tools. So then we simplify for our customers who are in tier 1, so OEM system integrators, to fulfill high-level requirements, and we automatically generate all the low-level configurations of the system on chip that can again fulfill these high-level requirements. Yeah, no, basically, the idea is to have this system on chips, modern system on chips that are not only composed of classical CPUs, but you can have also FPGA or GPGPUs, accelerators in general, and these are very complex. System on chip is really easy to make mistakes in configuring it. It's almost impossible to avoid that may be vulnerable, like zero-day attacks that are everywhere. So the idea is exactly this one, to create this model of the platform that can be then validated, the configuration can be validated while the user is not taking care of all the low-level stuff of the platforms. And yes, the heart is, at the end, the output is the configuration of our own hypervisor, which is a next-generation hypervisor technology that has been conceived to work a lot with the modern platforms, which is the chip vendors are pushing a lot with this trend in pushing hardware-based mechanisms for isolating this. So we are already working with that. We are trying to give more flexibility. We also cover nowadays some gap that the system on chips are having, and yeah, that's it. Once you achieve the configuration with the tool, that is a pure static approach that the configuration can be burnt on the ECU, and that's it. Then you finally have those sort of safe and secure highlands on the same system on chip.
And what's your traction in the market? I mean, you're quite a young company. You said you're already talking to some of the chip companies.
Yes, indeed. We made a lot of POCs also with multinational companies, not only in the automotive domain, also in other domains. But basically, we are launching the product nowadays. We fundraised around €1 million to afford the certification of our product. So we are almost to certify the solution for the ISO 26262 and for the functional safety, and 21434 for the cybersecurity. So we actually are coming from the academia, as I said. So we made a lot of POCs, even before at the university and now as a company, that a lot of companies already tried it, benefit from Claire, and we are converting some of them, those POCs, in production.
And it's a university, is that in Italy?
Yes, in Pisa, it's where the leading towers. Yeah, basically, university is the real-time system laboratory, which, as I said, one of the world's leading research team in the area of cyber-physical systems. Actually, the founders, between the founders, that's me, but there are also other two PhD students from the university, and also two professors, estimated professors who spend most of last 30 years pioneering the technology that you can find in Claire nowadays.
Well, Giorgio, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot to you too. Bye.